Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Flip5 and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Display. After that, scroll down again. Click on Font Size and Style. And lastly, swipe left or right on this font size slider in order to adjust it. You can check out preview above. So when I do that and go back, I can see that size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!